Okay, in this video we're going to take apart a we're going to take apart an iPhone. As you can see, it's working perfectly. The touchscreen works perfectly. It's a good phone. So I just wanted to show you what happens when we disconnect or remove certain micro parts. And this is just to help you when it comes to future diagnosis, so you can understand if something doesn't work, what is most likely causing it. And this is all assuming that it's not software, which I'll explain in the last lecture of this section. So as you can see, right now everything's still working. All the buttons work perfectly fine, and I do apologize about the cutoff screen, but basically everything's working 100%. The power button, everything. Okay, so let's just slide off this back cover. We're going to remove the motherboard shell that covers 6 of the flex cables, the digitizer, the LCD, the back camera, and also the front camera, the power button, and the volume keys. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove all these screws. I'm going to take off the motherboard shell. Okay, so we're going to start by removing the digitizer flex cable. Okay. Now, the LCD works, but now as you can see, the touch doesn't work. Okay, so if someone's touchscreen doesn't work with an iPhone, that's something you might want to try. Reattaching. Now we're going to remove the LCD, and you can hear it power on, but no matter how many times I hit the power button, nothing, nada. I'm not getting any display. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and reconnect the LCD, which is the one on the right, by the way, and then the digitizer. It just snapped on, and as you can see, now we have both working. Just to give you a rough idea. So once again, if a customer ever comes in with a faulty screen, those are things you want to check out. So right now we removed the bottom cable. Okay. That one was the volume keys and the silent key. No matter how many times I hit the volume keys, as you can see, nothing, nada, no response. So I'm going to go ahead and, while I'm at it, disconnect the middle key as well. No, I'm sorry, the middle flex. Okay. That was the power button. So no matter how many times I hit the power button, I'm not getting anything. So let's just go ahead and reconnect those two. I'm going to reconnect the power button and the volume keys. And now the power button's working again. And so is the volume keys, as well as the silent button. And then we're going to disconnect the top flex, which is responsible for the front camera. And we're going to try the camera out, and surely enough, it's frozen. Nothing. We're not getting any response. It's just frozen black, no camera, no matter what I do to it. So these are just rough ideas of how you can use process of elimination, logic, and begin to diagnose phones by being aware and familiar with the different microparts, as I just showed you about 5 of them. And when you really understand the microparts, and you're aware of the assembly of the phone, diagnosing should really just come pretty easily. You should be able to determine whatever the issue is, what's causing it. For example, we have the battery here, and the battery flex, the charging port, and the loudspeaker are all connected via this charging dock flex as well. So if that was disconnected or damaged, you wouldn't be able to charge it. You wouldn't hear anything either. And then it also has the antenna connected via snake. That one's the Wi-Fi antenna. There's two antennas, and that one's the signal antenna. Okay, so if you're not getting any signal, it's that little snake cable that needs to be replaced. Alright, good luck. Oh, and that's the watermark sticker, by the way.